I didn't expect to use the shaving horse for working on the Tambour Slats, but it's worked out quite well. Here's just a batch of these cutouts, slats, 3/16 by 3/16, and I think I showed before how I used this fixture to hand plane the sizes so that they would be the same, 3/16 all the way around. And now I've got to round over one face of the slats. These are actually longer than they have to be, so I don't have to worry about getting all the way out to the ends. They'll be cut off, but having this little platform here has really helped in shaping with a scraper blade. Here's a little scraper with a little 3/16 bead cut in there, and I just use that to get that rounding. And this is, I tried some other ways, but they tended to break. This has been quite effective, this method. I'm just outside my shop here on a nice sunny day. So after rounding that over, I just take a piece of 180 sandpaper and then this little form and use it to get a smooth surface on that bead. These slats have to be cut to length. That has to be pretty precise. And then I have to cut a little rabbet on each end that goes into the grooves. So that's now my procedure for doing 50, oh more than that, 56 I think, slats.